Meaning of dawn chorus.
Dawn chorus.
Dawn chorus.
Dawn chorus.
Dawn chorus. Dawn chorus refers to the natural phenomenon of birds singing together at the first light of day. This is a common occurrence during the breeding season when male birds sing loudly to attract mates and establish their territory. The dawn chorus typically occurs in the early morning, before sunrise, and varies in length and intensity depending on the location and time of year. The sound of the birds singing together creates a beautiful and melodic ambient noise that can be enjoyed by those who are fortunate enough to hear it.